Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll dive in and learn, is there a correlation between the amount of funding that is received and the pre-money valuation for startups in England? So we'll be using a startup funding data set today. I'm going to first drag and drop this data set into my Tableau public desktop session. Now that the data set has been loaded, you can see here that there are some attributes like ID, the amount that is targeted to be raised in pounds, the equity that is offered, the pre-money valuation, and how much money was actually raised in pounds. And also other attributes like the number of funders, the percentage raised as well for that particular startup. So we'll head over to sheet 1, our worksheet. And here, to answer the question, I'm first just going to limit it to 10 startups. We're going to hit apply and click OK. And then I'm going to use two attributes. One is the pre-money valuation, and the other is the raised amount in British pounds. I'll first drag the raised amount of British pounds to columns and the pre-money valuation to rows. And then to separate out the points for each company, I'm going to drag ID to color. And so now we have each startup differentiated by the color, and also along the y-axis is the pre-money valuation for that startup. Along the x-axis was how much money they raised in pounds. And so it's interesting here looking at the graph that this company, ID10, their pre-money valuation was 200,000 and they raised 50,000. But there's also this company here which had an ID of 6. Their pre-money valuation was lower, but out of the 10 companies here, they actually raised the most amount of money. Right? But across the whole, there is a positive correlation trend where as the company's pre-money valuation is higher, they do actually raise more money for the 10 startups that we're looking at here. And so there you have it. That is an insight into the correlation between the pre-money valuation and how much money was raised in pounds for different startups.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.